to my channel. So today I wanted to go over some keto products. I got a lot of questions in my DMs on my Instagram page. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. Keto products. All right, you guys want the good news or the bad news first? What'd you say? The bad news? All right. So the bad news about a lot of the keto products are that a lot of them have the same ingredients. You're going to deal with a lot of almond flour. You're going to deal with a lot of cauliflower. It doesn't get more exciting than that. That is the bad news. I've been cooking since I'm 12 years old. So the good news for me is I can kind of create different ingredients and recipes with cauliflower. But there's so much you can do with cauliflower. I'm going to go over later on in the video some of these products that they put on the market. They'll slap a label on it calling it mashed potatoes or rice. Listen, it's all cauliflower. That's all you're going to get. Also, almond flour. Most of the products are made with almond flour. So it doesn't get way more exciting than that. If you've been a low-carb person that loves salad, veggies, you will do good on this diet. So that's the bad news. The good news is, like I said, creators like me and cooks like me are coming up with different ideas to make these recipes exciting. So I am intrigued by that. I'm excited about the market. I've been researching when keto started. A lot of the products are new and people are getting creative. So that's the good news. So I wanted to go over some of my favorite products. Let's start off with the cookies because I'm a big snack person, as everybody knows. So I started off with these are one of the first things I purchased, and these. So high key, when I first started keto, these cookies were delicious. All of a sudden, I feel like the recipe changed. And being a cook, you can tell. So I don't know if they changed the amount of coconut oil, maybe the butter, something changed. So I decided to try these. Now, these are made with, this is made with coconut sugar. The high key, they don't have any sugar. I think they sweeten it with stevia and monk fruit. So the price is a little different too. You get more for your money with this. But like I said, this is made with coconut sugar. If you research it, it's kind of the same thing like sugar. So I have an issue now because these don't taste the same. Comment down below if you noticed that. And then these are, they have coconut sugar. So I'm going to give these a try again just to see. But honestly, they're both really good. I don't have a favorite, I'll be honest. This used to be my favorite, but like I said, once they changed the recipe, so I'm not a happy camper about that. And this has no sugar added. This has the coconut sugar. So, again, I'm going to give this a try again and see where we go. Kind of bummed because I love chocolate chip cookies. Like, that's my favorite snack. So, we'll see. Okay, so now we're going to move on to pancake mix. Delish. Love pancakes. Love waffles. On the weekends. I don't have a favorite. Again, all made with almond flour. Some people add maybe a little vanilla here. A sprinkle of cinnamon. These are actually, should I say my favorite? Yeah, I'm going to go with these. They just taste more like homemade, I'll be honest. It gives me like that comfort feel. So, the birch bending. And so this is first place. Let's do that. And then these two are kind of tied. Basically the same thing. The waffles, the pancakes, the same thing. So yeah. Now, sweeteners. I get a lot of questions in my DMs about the sweeteners. Monk fruit, I ran out, but the Lakanto monk fruit is definitely my favorite. The sweeteners, as far as the monk fruit goes, if you kind of take that out the equation, all the other ones kind of taste the same to me. I'll be honest. Some of them do a little more to your stomach than others, but they're all made with erythritol, stevia. So you're going to get the same thing. I would say just go for, the one that fits your budget. But no big difference in the sweeteners. No favorites. Let's move on to the crackers. Another one of my favorites. I love Crunch, as you guys know. Fat snacks. These are delicious. These are delicious. Now, every time I get these in the mail from Amazon, they taste like they've been sitting on this shelf way too long. So if I can get a fresh box of these one day ever, I might have a different opinion. They're decent, but the fat snacks, they're fresh. You can get the pack of 3. Delicious. So I would go with these, definitely. If you want a cracker, kind of like a Cheez-It, definitely I would go with the fat snacks. They have 3 flavors. I ate all the other ones. So if you guys can send me a fresh box, somebody, then I can give a full review. But, they're not bad. They're not bad, but they always taste like they've been sitting on the shelf way too long. I get questions about chips. I haven't found any affordable chips, when you're craving that crunch. So we're going to go with the Quest. They have nacho cheese. They have barbecue. They have tons of new flavors. So these are good. The nacho cheese is my favorite. I haven't tried the barbecue yet, but yeah, so we're going to go with the Quest. A few of my favorite products, I made a video. These are delicious. They're sliced hearts of palm, water, natural sea salt, citric acid. It's like a pasta linguine replacement. Delicious. I found these. You can't go wrong with Hershey's, but these are sugar-free. Absolutely delish. I made these. I did a video. These are absolutely delicious. Hands down. You add a little extra nuts for crunch. Super convenient. This makes 12 muffins, this package. Put them in a Ziploc bag. You're good to go. I have the pumpkin spice coming in the mail. Super excited. So I will go with these for sure. Now, so that was the good, the bad, and the ugly. The ugly, listen, people, if you're going to put a product on the market, you can't just slap a label on it, especially if you're a foodie like me, a person that, my palate is a little different. Like I said, I've been cooking since I'm 12. I've been to tons of restaurants. I've had the pleasure of going to Smith & Wollensky's and Carmine's and Virgil's and Luger's. So I have a different palate. So I get really frustrated if the food that I eat is not delicious. This is not mashed potatoes. So if I make this and mashed potatoes have a certain texture, right? You're looking for texture when you're eating food. If you slap this on, for people that don't know, they're assuming, I don't know, maybe there's some kind of potatoes that they took the starches out. Who knows? This is horrible. It's slimy. It's just basically cauliflower. So what I would do is come up with another name for this. But as a foodie, and look at this. It looks delicious. When you make it, it looks nothing like this. It tastes nothing like this. This is not good. And products like this, why would you call it, I don't know. Anyway, it's cauliflower and it's not good. So, just be on the lookout for products like this. It's a waste of time. So that is it for the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to food, the keto food. I found this. This is really awesome. You guys can look it up. I got this on Amazon. It's a way to test your ketones, and it's a strip. Super convenient, and it's your urine test. So, right? Super cute. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I'll be doing more reviews. I have tons of packages coming in. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Also follow me on Instagram. And if you have any questions, you can leave them for me over there as well. Thanks for watching.